Welcome back to the NHSC application process. Today we're going to discuss non-discrimination policy. And as always, everything can be found at HRSA website at the National Health Service Corps section, and everything I reference is from the NHSC site reference guide. So the non-discrimination policy, this is a policy that your site must have, and it basically explains that your site must not discriminate in the provision of services based on an individual's inability to pay Medicare, Medicaid, or CHIP coverage, or race, color, sex, national origin, disability, religion, age, sexual orientation, or gender identity. So I've also included the example here. So it's really just can be a one-page statement and having all of those items. So even if you, sometimes people only have gender identity and they forget to include sex or, vice versa, they have to have all of those. If you are even missing one, HRSA or the primary care office can deny your application. So definitely making sure you have all of those bullet points within your non-discrimination policy, but it really is simple as that for the creation of your non-discrimination policy. So who can submit a non-discrimination policy or who doesn't? So exempt facilities are the FQHCs, FQHC lookalikes, Indian Health Service facilities, federal and state prisons, and ICE facilities. Most of these, though, again, you don't have to submit it for the NHSC site application, but if HRSA completes a site visit or requests more information of do you have a non-discrimination policy, you should have one on hand within your site or facility, even though you are exempt from submitting it via the NHSC site application. So making sure you do have a non-discrimination policy of some sort on hand at your site. But for all other facilities that don't fall under the exempt facilities, you must submit a non-discrimination policy for your NHSC site application. And as always, feel free to email me about any questions you might have.